Estate planning is probably one of the most important things you will ever do in your lifetime, and yet so many people avoid it like the dentist. It's not the big daunting task you probably think it is. In fact, by the end of the process, most of my clients tell me how much easier it was than they thought it would be, and how happy they are that they finally got it done. That's because now they can avoid having their assets tied up in probate, which on average is 1 to 2 years in California and can cost a fortune in attorney's fees and court costs. Or because they know their spouse or children no longer have the burden of having to handle everything and figure it all out at the worst possible time. The peace of mind you'll get knowing everything is done and handled properly is so wonderful. And not only will you avoid probate, but I'll also make sure you avoid death taxes, court guardianships for minor children, and expensive conservatorships should you become mentally incapacitated. So don't put it off. It's just too important. And often it's too late when I receive calls from family members trying to help their loved ones who are already very sick or hospitalized. Often by then the person doesn't have the legal capacity to do a living trust, even though they want to. We'll start the process with a free consultation, not just a generic 30 minutes, but a full 90 minutes, so we can discuss not only the law, but how it applies to your specific circumstances. I want to learn all about you and your goals so I can best give you your options, should you choose to retain me or not, something many attorneys typically bill for. I'm happy to offer this try before you buy approach because I really want to get to know you and the particulars of your situation and show you how painless the whole process really is. Last but by no means least, I want you to know that I handle everything personally. At no point will you or your file be handed off to another attorney or paralegal. I'm accessible and responsive, as you will experience for yourself when you contact me for the first time today. Most of those I serve are referred to me from my many happy clients. So let's connect and provide you an opportunity to become my very next satisfied client.